This market moved $1 billion today because of one sentence. The downward trend is dominating. Key headlines. Dow Jones futures fall on 2025's final day. Eli Lilly. Shopify Forge Buy Points. Array Technologies. ARI. Drops 5.6% ahead of tax credit deadline. Best credit cards with streaming perks for January 2026. Save on Netflix, Hulu, and more. Excellent results boosted GE Aerospace. GE. In Q3. What to expect from Northrop Grumman's next quarterly earnings report. Best American Express credit cards for January 2026. Ramit Sethi says advice from Dave Ramsey and Kevin O'Leary is outdated. Here's what you should focus on. Bristol-Gate U.S. equity strategy. NVDA's demand today is Broadcom's. AVGO. Opportunity tomorrow. Here's why Novo Nordisk. NVO. Traded down in Q3. SESI. SES. Sheds 6% on profit-taking. U.S. Antimony. UAMY. Loses 7.66% on profit-taking. Eightco Holdings. Orbs. Tumbles 8% on profit-taking. Best airline credit cards for January 2026. Bristol-Gate U.S. equity strategy exited its stake in Marsh & McLennan. MMC. Best CD rates today. December 31st, 2025. Lock-in up to 4% APY. Dow Jones Industrials 2025. These three unexpected stocks top Nvidia. Corn showing weakness to round out 2025. Rivian Automotive. RIVN. Loses 5% as CEO unloads stake. OpenAI pays more than any major recent tech startup. Best Discover credit cards for January 2026. Best credit cards for gas for January 2026. Daily Spotlight. Bull market set for 2026. Best Chase credit cards for January 2026. This artificial intelligence stock is an absolute bargain right now, and it could skyrocket in 2026. Earnings preview. What to expect from Valero Energy's report. Energy Fuels. UUUU. Loses 5.7% on profit-taking. Best credit cards for wedding expenses. January 2026. Best credit cards to save money on sports, concerts, and more in January 2026. Why Tesla stock dipped on Monday. Carrier Global Corporation. CAR. Fell in Q3 despite good results. Best money market account rates today. December 31st, 2025. Secure up to 4.1% APY. Soybeans falling to kick off New Year's Eve. Best high-yield savings interest rates today. December 31st, 2025. Earn up to 4% APY. Best Capital One credit cards for January 2026. Gold price today. Wednesday, December 31st. Gold price declines but remains on track for a record year. HELOC and home equity loan rates today. December 31st, 2025. Payments drop as rates hit 2025 lows. Best credit cards for shopping on Amazon for January 2026. Boost your Amazon purchases with valuable rewards. 5 things to know before the stock market opens. The 5 best stocks to play in 2026. According to Wall Street's loudest tech bull. Do you believe in the growth potential of Accenture? ACN. Tomorrow's data could change everything. Subscribe for the next update.